What's this? He's got metal on the ground. Hey, thought we were working on the HJ today.
Oh, mate, well, I hope we're not cleaning your bloody car again.
Nah, not this week. It's nice and clean still.
Nah, look, we got an issue. We've got to work on the cars. Yes, you're right. We need some car footage. The guys are here. We've got to get some car footage. We've got to do something with the cars, right?
Yeah.
But someone's going to start the print shop in there. And, yeah, we've got a bit of stuff everywhere here, man. What do you reckon? We can't get to the cars.
There's a bit of vinyl everywhere.
We can't get to the cars. So,
We can't.
we got to do something first.
Yeah.
All these rolls of vinyl everywhere, we need to be able to move them around. So, come up with an idea.
I'm going to build a rack.
Yeah.
I'm
Do you
gonna
want to do
weld
that first? Quick welding montage before we get into the cars.
Let's do it. Let's flick over to the montage.
Starting to find that therapeutic too. They're all done. Need some more to grind. Gets fairly good support there. And these ones go there. Like so.
Mm-hmm.
What do you reckon?
Looks good to me. Is it time to mark up and weld?
Yep. Move to the next stage. Well, there's your problem. When I wrote 535 by 1, 2, 3, 4, no, it was meant to be 380 by 1, 2, 4. Whoops. 4. No,
That's
no,
by
no.
5. That should have been 5 by 5. 380 by 5.
No, we still want the 2 end bits. We want 1, 2, 3 of square tube at 380 by 3. 2 of those at 535. Dope. Look at that design work. How could I get that? How could we get that wrong? Such a perfect drawing. It makes complete sense to everybody. One more point, they're not at 380 because they've got to fit inside the tube. You've got to measure that, Dave. You've got to take off 40 mil either side. It'll be 300.
So what's happening here? Has someone been murdered?
It looks that way. It's obviously an issue because I've cleaned this up twice already.
And it's still coming out.
It's always had a bit of a leak, and then we fixed that because we give it a tighten up before we went to Rocky, and it was good, stopped leaking. And then we got back, and it's just bleh. So let's got this Moroso gasket. So we might put a decent gasket in there. Chuck the new filter in it, service it. Well, filter change. Filter change fluid, gasket.
See if it stops leaking.
See if we fix the problem. Don't know if that gasket will work. Hope so. That's a reusable gasket as well. So it's like an $80 gasket. So let's hope it works. It's better than the cork one that they gave us in the service kit. That's all wrapped up and scrunched up. I don't know how that was ever going to work.
Yeah.
It's terrible. But all right, let's get the jacks under here.
Let's do it.
Might want a smaller extension too, fella.
Okay, so you want me to get like the 1/4 inch as well?
Hey?
Want me to get like the 1/4 inch?
Yeah.
Convenient time to start cutting things.
It's perfect for the audio.
Yeah.
Giving him?
Yeah.
Almost. I think. Yeah, well.
Is that off now?
Just let it hang for a minute and just see if any more comes out. No. Okay.
How many's left?
2. That should hang a fair way. Is that going to come down with that there?
Pardon?
There's nothing stopping it there.
This is that cable. I'm trying to pull the cable up.
Can you move it?
There we go. Now it should come down a bit more, I think.
Okay, go.
And then that's just the hard lines at the front. Stopping it now.
Is that going into the thing?
Just.
Let's just let that drain there.
The hard line at the front. And we call it on the filter, I think.
Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Oh, you got it?
It's slipping out of my hands. I'm trying to grab it.
Okay, I've got it.
Are we just dropping it into that or no?
Not the sum. Because we're going to put it back on.
True, that is true.
I can sit on it though. There you go. Now we can clean everything up.
we're back here from the second day because we forgot what.
No, we didn't forget anything.
What didn't we purchase?
Seeing you here. What are you doing over here?
What didn't we purchase?
Well, I don't have a torque wrench, and I was just going to do it like old school and just go, yeah, about that. But I thought we had problems before, and maybe it was because I over tightened it already. Mm-hmm. So I thought I better do it right. So we do have a torque wrench, and we're going to do 12 Newton meters of torque, which is what we've got to set them to.
So once we torqued all the bolts up, it's time to fill it up, get it running, get it idling, top it up, and then take it for a spin.
Sounds like it's shifting smoothly. That did sound like a good shift, didn't it? Sounded like it was better than before. Yeah. That's a good thing. Certainly is. And when we filled it up, it didn't start pouring back out, so obviously we did something right there, sort of, I guess. So. Probably would have been a worry if it started pouring back out, right? Yeah. Feels like it's shifting quite nicely. It does. Maybe a bit of transmission fluid on the tyres. There you go. Hey, we've done it. We've done something ourselves again.
Yeah. What a job it was. Yeah.
What a job it was. It was a bit of a bigger job than we're used to doing.
Yeah, you know, we emptied the sump plug first and then, wait.
What's unplug?
Yeah.
Transmissions. Damn. What a bit messier job. But yeah, it was good to get there, do that. We could have, took it into the shop and see what was wrong with the transmission leak. They would have quoted and done all the rest of it. And, hey guys, just do it yourself is what you would have said. So we did. And hopefully you approve.
Yeah.
So that's the hard bit. Did we do okay?
Dodgy Dave and his cameraman.
Yeah, Dodgy Dave and the cameraman. How did they go? We're doing this stuff ourselves. We're learning. You're watching us learn, or learning along with us. Who knows? But yeah, we got a bit done this weekend. We
certainly did.
We built the vinyl rack for the print shop. We got in here. We fixed the gasket on the whatchamacallit in the Hoosie Wanger, and made some
shifty thing.
Spilled some stuff on the sparkulators down there.
Shifty thing.
Yep, shifty thing now shifts. We made all that work.
Yep.
Yep, and
cargo bang bang.
Cargo's bang bang. They did go bang bang. went spin spin. Slightly. Must have been some oil on the tyres down there. What did you think?
Must have been.
You didn't rouse on me.
No.
You knew it was me not intentionally doing anything wrong. It was just...
Yeah, it's just an oil slick on the road.
As we quickly breezed through Mexico, part of town. Anyway, I guess we're going to get out of here.
Yep. If you like these videos, head down below. Consider becoming a member. Press that join button. Sign up. That way you get your name in the credits, or get some access to extra footage, whatnot, as we get around to uploading it. And if you like as well, hit subscribe. If you can't join as a member, then smash the subscribe button, hit the bell.
Yep.
As well, ring it. That way you'll get notified whenever we upload a video. And hit like. Drop us a comment for the algorithm. jump on the website, overtakinglane.com.au, grab some merch.
And check out Right Lane Print and Media.
Yeah.
We'll see all these things going on, and we'll get back to some events soon. But we wanted to do a bit of stuff. We can't go to an event every weekend. We do have to work on our cars occasionally. So
Yeah, we have to make sure they can go to the event.
yeah, we've got some stuff to do on the Skyline. We've got some stuff to do on the Honda.
Yeah.
We've got a bit of stuff to finish off. So so you will get some more of this sort of stuff as we learn more.
Yeah.
Let's go find out what our next job is.
Let's do it.
See you in the next one.
Stay in that right lane.